Hey guys, this is Sandeep from XDATV and you're watching the first impressions of the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Now before we get started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also give us a thumbs up at the end of the video if you happen to like it. Now let's begin. The easiest way to describe the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is that it's a Redmi Note 9 Pro on steroids. What's changed is basically the camera setup at the back and the front, as well as a faster charging solution. The primary camera at the back receives an upgrade from a 48 megapixel sensor to a 64 megapixel Samsung sensor, while the front camera also receives an upgrade from 16 megapixels to 32 megapixels. What it shares with the Redmi Note 9 Pro is basically the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, the 5 megapixel macro camera, as well as a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Here are some of the samples that you get from the device in order to give you an idea of what to expect. Physically speaking, there's not really any difference between the Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Note 9 Pro Max since they both come with the same dimensions, exact same weight, as well as the same colors. The only way of telling them apart physically is by looking at the 64 megapixel and 48 megapixel branding on the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Redmi Note 9 Pro respectively. In terms of the basic build quality and design, the Note 9 Pro Max is quite good, is ergonomically sound and also has premium build quality thanks to the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 that's used at the front on the display, at the back panel, as well as for protecting the camera module itself. The display is a 6.67-inch IPS panel with a camera cutout, and the overall quality is pretty good and is better than most other IPS panels, especially in terms of sunlight legibility. Like the Note 9 Pro, the Note 9 Pro Max is also powered by a Snapdragon 720G chipset and comes with either 6+64, 6+128 or 8+128GB storage capacities with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.1 flash storage. The storage can of course be expanded using the triple card slot that accepts 2 nano SIMs and 1 microSD. Apart from that, you also get a 5020 mAh battery which charges pretty quickly using the 33-watt charger, which is also included in the box. Xiaomi has also made sure that they didn't miss out on features that are considered essential, especially in a Redmi Note series device such as the IR blaster and audio jack. Like its regular sibling, the Max also comes with Android 10 out of the box with MIUI 11 on top, and it does support dual-band Wi-Fi as well as voice over Wi-Fi. The Redmi Note 9 Pro Max starts at an asking price of Rs 14,999, which is roughly $200 while a second 6+128GB variant goes up to $230 or Rs 16,999, and the highest end variant will set you back Rs 18,999 or roughly $250. Considering the amount of hardware that it packs for the price, it seems like a good deal, but do wait for a full review to know whether this is a worthy buy or not. That's it for the video guys, thanks for watching, see you again in the next one.